Hi guys, welcome to my science experiment series. Now we're going to do science experiment number 28 and it is BagBomb. For that we need a ZipLock bag, some tissue paper, hot water, 3 tablespoons baking soda and half cup vinegar. So, in this, we need to open the ZipLock bag, then add the hot water inside it. After that, we need to pour the vinegar inside it. After that, we need to close half the ZipLock bag, then add the baking soda into the tissue paper and then wrap the tissue paper around the baking soda. Then throw the tissue paper and baking soda at the open half and then put it in the sink as fast as you can, because after some time it will start to expand and then it will finally explode with a bomb. So stay tuned for the end. See guys, look, now this will explode with a bang. So stay far away.